Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel, Tommy TV.
Our promise to you is that every single video is worth your click. You're not just subscribing to a channel, you're getting a front row seat to a show.
So don't just watch this video, hit that subscribe button and, this is the important part, ring that notification bell.
You don't want to miss the premiere of our next episode. Welcome to Tommy TV.
The IM Motors L6 can slide horizontally into parking spots like it's dancing, using its four-wheel steering system and independent electric motors. It can reduce parking space requirements by 11% and has a turning circle of just 4.99 meters. That's half the size of normal cars. Even more amazing, the Beware Dentz Z9 GT can parallel park by literally power sliding into tight spots. The car uses its electric motors to spin the rear wheels in opposite directions, while the front wheels provide the pivot point, letting it slip sideways into spaces that seem impossible. And if you think that's impressive, wait till you see what BY